So we have in our register we have Ruto Wesley. Ruto Wesley, are you present? Thank you. We have Irene. Levita. So I think we can continue from there. So today we are going to look at the cash book. So can I have somebody defining for us what the term cash book is before I give you what I have here? Who can try? Yes, Enoch?
Cashbook is a book which records the receipt and payment.
Yeah. So I think that's it. A cash book is a financial journal that records all the cash transaction of a business and the receipts and the payment. So it serves as a subsidiary ledger to the general ledger and provides a detailed record of cash inflows and outflows. So from the word core, a cash book is used for the record of cash book and of the receipts and the payment, I mean. So it serves as a subsidiary ledger to the general ledger and provides a detailed record of cash inflows and outflows. Then we have the next thing, we have the component of a cash book. Gonna have Levitan reading for us. Levitan, are you able to see my screen? Okay, can you read for us? Levitan, come up, okay? Anyone who can see my screen? What I have shared? Yes? Oh, you can see my screen. Okay, so let me read for you the company. Mercy, can you read for us, boss? We can hear you, Mercy. Come up again. Yes. So, thank you, Mercy. So, yes. Yes. Okay, let me read through it. So we have the component of cash book. We have the first to be the date. This is the date of the cash transaction. This whereby when a product or service is offered, so when we receive the payment, we record that date. Then we have in the particulars, or normally you can either write the particulars or detail. We have a brief description of the transaction. If it is purchase of a motor vehicle, we indicate it's a motor vehicle. Then we have the receipt, that is the payment. Then continuation from the previous one, we have the payment. That's the amount of cash paid out or withdrawn from the business. The balance, this is the running balance of cash on hand after each transaction. So you can find when you are recording this transaction on either in our cash account or the bank account, we have eight aside can be created. either the debit side will be greater than the credit side. So we have that balance brought down or carried down. Note, in a daily column cash flow, we have two aspects of discount. That is, we have discount allowed, which refers to a reduction in the selling price granted by a supplier to a customer. That is the business. It's recorded in a cash book as an income to the business. So when we make an order to our supplier, then he give us a discount. We take it as a income to our business. Then we have the next one. We have discount received. This is a reduction in the selling price of goods or services provided by a business firm to a customer. It is recorded as an expense to the business, so we credit. Here in discount received, when a customer come and purchase a product, let's say for 100, but we offered the customer at a selling price of 90. So you see, at first we were selling at 100, but now we are selling at 90. So we record that 10 shillings to be discount received. We credit, we take it as an expense to the company. Then we have the next, we have the types of cash book. Who can read for us this one? Anyone who can see my screen? Class? If you can see my screen, you can unmute yourself and then take us through it. Hello, class. Who can see my screen? All of you.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone who can see? Leviton? Or maybe it's due to the. Okay. Mercy, you can take us through it. So, for those who can't see my screen, I think it's the network problem. So, don't worry. I will share with you the notes for this cash book. Mercy, go on. Yes. Yes. Thank you. So in cash book, in business, we have three types of cash book. We have the single column cash book, we have the double column cash book, and the three column cash book. Now we want to see the function or importance of a cash book. So the first one, cash book is important when keeping of records. The primary functions of a cash book is to maintain a comprehensive and systematic records of all transactions. So here, you see when you record that maybe on a certain date you sold some goods to a customer, you keep your record. So you can refer when you are making your you are checking you are counter checking your documents. Then we have the next to be cash control. The cash book help business maintain control over their cash resources. Then the next one we have cash management. This whereby the cash book provides valuable information for effective cash management. That's by giving you the amount you have in your cash or in your bank account. Then we have the next one, reconciliation. The cash book serves as a reference for reconciling the cash balance with the bank statement. So in business, we have this. So in the business, you have the cash book, while in the bank, there are bank statements. So when you are reconciling, you are counterchecking where the difference is. So it's help you when you are reconciling the one in the bank and the one you have in your cash book. Then we have the next one, financial reporting. The information from the cash book is used to prepare financial statement, such as the cash flow statement. Then the last one, we have the audit trail. The Cashbook serves as a reliable source of information for internal and external audit, hence facilitating the auditing process and ensuring compliance with the accounting standard regulation. So this whereby when we are doing auditing, we use the cash book because it have all the details that you require when doing editing. So we have the next one. But before we see the format of a single column cash book, is there anyone with a question? Yes, Irene? Yes? Yes? A very quick question. Thank you, Irene. So in cash book, we only deal with those payment that has been made, or when we sell a product, we don't record the one we sell on credit. We only record that we have sell on cash or being paid by check. Is that clear, Irene? Okay, thank you. Any question? So if there is no other question, let us continue from where we stop. Now we want to see the format of a single column cash book. So we will see the three formats for cash book. So first we start with the single column cash book. So here we have the DR side, that's the debit side. On your left, we have the date, we have the days, amount. Then on the other side, we have the credit side, we have the date, details, and amount. So you can, for the second column, that's the detail sides, you can record or you can name it particulars. So you can either put particulars or details. And B, in a single column cash book, you can either record for the cash account or bank account, not both. So you can either choose to record the one for cash alone, but you can record for both. Then we have the second one to be the format for a two column cash book. We have the DR side, we have dates, details, cash, bank. Then on the other side, the credit side, you have the date, details, cash, and bank. So if you can compare the one for the single and double column cash book, you can realize that in the single column cash book, we only had three columns for each side, that is the debit and the credit side. So, but for two column cash book, you have the side for cash and bank. Okay, for every column cash book you prepare, remember to indicate a title. Never forget that one. Then our last one, we look at the format of a three column cash book. We have the DR side. We have here we recorded date, details, discount allowed. You remember from our previous subtopics, that's the component of a cash book, we had this discount allowed as an income to the business. So we indicate it on the DR side. Then we have cash, then bank. On the other side, the credit side, we have the date, details, discount received, that's an expense, then cash and bank. Again, remember to indicate the title for every cash book you prepare. Any question up to there? Any question? Any clarification? Okay. So thank you very much. We have come to the end of our lesson for today. Let's meet next week for another class. Thank you.